Hello, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer, showing you a Takeuchi TL150 that we have for sale. This is Takeuchi's big machine. This machine has over a 7,000 pound tipping capacity. Very good solid machine. If you look at the tracks, has a very good set of tracks on it. This particular machine has a solid steel undercarriage. If you look at the drive lugs on this undercarriage, solid steel, still have a whole lot of life left in them. It's just a real good solid machine, has a 97 horsepower diesel engine in it, has auxiliary hydraulics, has a very nice seat in it, has pilot controls similar to the Caterpillar. Your left hand just point it the way you want it to go, and that's the way you go. Your right hand marks the bucket. Real good, solid, dependable machine. I'm going to turn the camera over to my son and I'm going to demonstrate the machine for you. Just a good solid machine. Takeuchi TL150, big dog for the Takeuchis. 7,000 pound tipping capacity, over 3,500 pounds operating capacity. Just a really nice solid machine with a steel undercarriage and good tracks. It's ready to go to work. You can see all our machines for sale at TexasSkidSteer.com. Thank you.